Hello once again. I think it's time to make something that we can wear, something easy, quickly, which can accompany us to the beach, on the walk, or even to the club. Can you guess what it is? It's nothing more than a kimono. Depending on how you decorate it, it can be worn all day long. So let's go together step by step to see how it's made. First of all, you have to find the fabric of your choice. It can be a cotton fabric, a jacquard fabric, a fabric with boho style, a colorful one, a lace fabric with lurex, a brocart fabric, or even with patterns. Choose pompon, long or even short fridges, cotton fridges, fridges with lurex. Don't worry about the length of the fabric. Cut a fairly large piece so when it is folded in half, and passed behind the shoulders, it closed in front. So, take your piece of fabric in front of you, fold it in half with the good side inwards. And the edges to touch. To create the sleeves, take two pins and put them like this, just to remind you that you have to sew the fabric up to this point. Remember that the larger the opening is, the bigger the sleeve will be created. Now sew to the bottom. The next step is to create the opening. Turn the inside out. Grab your scissors and cut exactly in the middle. Be careful here, you must cut only the front piece of the fabric. Remember to leave about a palm above, approximately 10 centimeters. And our kimono is ready. There is nothing left to decorate it. have you noticed my hat and my belt? Stay tuned for the next tutorial.